What is up, guys? Sam from Cows. Hope you enjoyed Callum's new video. Just got uploaded. But this is surviving a plane crash number 2. Hope you enjoy this. So we're gonna do this. Let's go. We're starting. We're gonna do a studio tour soon. But you can see my webcam's up there. It's rainbow. Look. As you can see, it's all rainbow. There's lots of people. Whee! Uh-oh. Everyone's going into the island. Watermelon peas. Your name, but cool. We're going to hop on the desert island. Oh, here comes the plane. Here comes the plane! Oh, here comes the debris. I call it the debris reset. I'm going to reset so that the plane will not kill me. I'm going to shut the top comments. All aboard flight 066 from Roblox here to Bloxland. I hope this plane don't crash. What's this? What's this? Look at the head. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Who's that character? Oh, no. I'm skydiving. Whee! I can still make it. I'm gonna miss my flight. Oh no. My flight's. Oh no! Oh no, the back! So, I know that for when I leave the back of the plane. So I'll be sure to get the middle. It's crash as not predicted. Red wine? What the heck? They sell alcohol in Roblox? I didn't know they sold alcohol in Roblox. The next flight, I think the next flight's leaving, but the next flight I think's leaving. This idiot has decided to, it'll disappear. Oh, the flight. This idiot decided to, try to make us miss our flight. Oh, there's the culprit. There's the culprit. Very funny. Who's that? Very funny culprit. That's a very funny culprit. You wouldn't even believe. Oh. You wouldn't. Oh my gosh. This idiot is trying to make us miss our flight. Yay, it's disappearing. It's disappearing. Can't believe it's actually disappearing. It's disappearing. Flight 066. Oh, it's always like 066. Is this a Boeing 737? I hope this is a Boeing 737. Oh man. That would be so cool if it was. Like a Boeing 737. Oh crap, crystal. Alas. What the? Don't mess this up. Because our plane is here. I'm stuck in my seat. We're gonna move the webcam. So everybody's coming down here, and we're going to just chill. You do a Caillou. Is the back falling off? Oh. Yes, the back is falling off. No, no. Let me up, no. Oh yeah, oh, I'm falling up back, I'm falling. I'm falling so. Boom, I just died. Think I just died. Well, the front of the plane doesn't seem to be. Oops, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, mint pecan. Oh. I love mint pecan. Cookies and cream, Oreo, green tea, or stupid green tea flavored ice cream. Sandwich 99. Click to get started. Wait. I'm gonna have to wait for the next plane, so I know not to sit in the back because the plane, the back of it breaks off first. So I'm gonna know when to sit in the front. I'm gonna sit in the front of the plane. The plane better be here soon. Uh oh. Wait, I think this might be the gate. Yep, I think this is the gate. A1. Oh yeah. Oh, alright. I'm at WM Productions. Wow. This is gonna be so awesome. Oh, dang it, my flight's here. My flight is here. A1. Here goes my flight. No! I'm gonna reset so that I don't die. Well, my body's having a party. It's like flying about. There we go, I've got my flight. I know to sit in the front. I'm going to sit in the top. I'm going to sit in the front. Because I know the back will break off first. If the top breaks off, that I'm going to be so mad. But yep, I think the back's breaking off. Oh no, I'm dry. Uh-oh, the lights are going off. The lights are off and we have crashed. Oh my god. I survived! So now I know. Like, now when you like survive, you have to sit in the front and you won't die. Cause like everybody in the back thought they were just chilling and they were gonna have a good time. And they were wrong. The back breaks up, so I've learned a lesson, the back always breaks off first. Looks like, oh my goodness. Is this like 9 covered island? Oh, what's this? Yay. Yeah, I've got color machines. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Damn, I got my flight. Let me on. I gotta get front row seats in the top. I got front row. No, I got front row. I got front row, sucker. Yeah. But this is the best seat, I think, because the back all this is I think the best place to be in. I'm in first class, but here we go. Oh, here we go. The back seats are starting to. Here we go. The back's starting to break off. The back is starting to break off. I'm looking out the window. Nothing's happening. The back is starting to break off. There goes the back. The back's starting to break off. It's part of the roof started to cave in. The back's starting to break off. There's chairs. Alright, I'm watching out the window. Black Pearl 92. So it was Black Pearl 92. That's all from Lincoln. So guys, I'm looking out the window. And the back is breaking off right now. But this is the most chilled thing I think I can do. But I think we're still at the airport. But I'm just gonna sit in my chair and chill. Pretty much just see if something's gonna happen. We got 17. Oh no. No. Oh, sec. I kept hearing These people are dying from their deaths. Oh, look at me. Look at me with my tiny head. But my flight just is here now. Godzilla. I gotta get to the very top. I'm actually gonna get to the very front. The back's starting to break off. The back. There's fire. Oh, the back's starting to break off. Everybody's up. Oh, wait. Freddy's on this flight? What? Freddy and Chica are on this flight. Freddy and his bunny are both on this flight. Here we go! Guys, I'm looking out my window. We're gonna crash on the island in 3, 2, 1. Here we go! I'm in my chair. We're gonna crash in the water. Oh yeah, we're gonna crash into the water. We're gonna crash into the water. Oh no. We've lost power. We've lost altitude. We're losing altitude very fast. We're losing altitude extremely fast. We're losing altitude. I think we're gonna crash. We're sitting in our seat. The power's starting to come back on. Very slowly, but we're still going down. We're starting to go down. Oh, my legs just fell off. Reset. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Plane Crash Survival. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next in our next video. Bye.